Imagine fitting near-professional aerial cinematography into the palm of your hand. Sounds impossible, right? Well, not anymore. The DJI Mini 5 Pro leaks are turning heads across the drone community, and for good reason. This isn't just another routine refreshed. Feels like DJI is about to change the entire game for compact drones. If you've ever wished for pro-level performance in a sub-250-gram drone, buckle up, because this one looks like the real deal. Now, before we get into the juicy details of what makes the Mini 5 Pro so special, let's take a quick step back. DJI has a history of redefining what we expect from drones. Remember the original Mavic Mini? It gave casual flyers their first taste of aerial photography without the hassle of registration in most countries. Then came the Mini 2, which brought 4K video and stronger performance, basically saying, 2. The Mini 3 Pro pushed the limits further with obstacle avoidance and vertical shooting, making it a content creator's dream. And of course, the Mini 4 Pro fine-tuned those features into a polished package. But here's the twist. The Mini 5 Pro isn't just following the pattern. From what we've seen in leaks, this one's aiming higher, being more professional, more ambitious, and packed with features we never thought we'd see in the Mini lineup. Let's talk design first. On the surface, it still looks like the Minis we know and love, foldable, lightweight, easy to toss in your backpack. But the details? That's where things get interesting. The orange-tipped propellers aren't just for style points, they make the drone easier to spot in the sky, which every pilot knows is a lifesaver. DJI also ditched the old screw-end propellers for a quick-release system, meaning no more fumbling. With tiny screws when you accidentally clip a tree branch, and the new battery latch, it's not just safer, it makes swapping batteries in the field faster than ever. These may sound like small changes, but for frequent flyers, they're the difference between frustration and smooth flying. It's DJI's way of saying, yeah, we've been listening to your complaints. But design is only half the story. The Mini 5 Pro is shaping up to come with some seriously exciting accessories. The standout is the new ND filter, kit including an ND128 filter. That's huge, because it means creators can shoot cinematic motion blurred footage even in the harshest sunlight, perfect for beach shoots or snowy mountain landscapes. DJI clearly isn't just targeting beginners anymore. This drone is screaming professional tool from every angle. Now here's the part that has creators drooling, the hardware upgrades. Rumors suggest the Mini 5 Pro could pack a 1-inch sensor. For context, that's the kind of sensor we usually see in drones double its size and weight. Bigger sensors equal more light, better dynamic range, and stunning low-light performance. And get this, it could shoot 4K at 120 frames per second. Yep, buttery smooth slow-motion aerial footage on a drone that weighs less than a bottle of water. Add in log profiles, HDR video, and advanced noise reduction, and you're looking at cinema quality results from a drone you can carry in your hoodie pocket. If that doesn't blow your mind, you might already be a robot, of course. The big question everyone asks is, how much is this going to cost me? Well, here's the surprising part. According to leaks, DJI is sticking close to the Mini 4 Pro's price range. We're talking around $749 to $799 for the standard kit. The Fly More combo? Somewhere between $999 and $1,129, depending on your region. Now, considering the upgrades we're talking about, DJI could have easily bumped the price higher, but keeping it consistent? That's a genius move. It makes the Mini 5 Pro look like unbeatable value, and it puts serious pressure on competitors, who simply can't match DJI's scale or pricing strategy. In short, good news for us, bad news for them. So when's it coming? Well, the leaks point to mid-September. Perfect timing, right before the holiday season, when every tech company drops their hottest products. DJI knows what they're doing here. Launch now, build hype, and dominate holiday sales. And let's be honest, if you're a content creator, travel vlogger, or just a tech enthusiast, you're probably already eyeing your wallet. So here's my take. If the leaks are accurate, the DJI Mini 5 Pro could be the most important drone release of the year. It takes everything that made the Mini series special and pushes it into professional territory without pushing the price out of reach. That's why the excitement feels different this time. It's not just hype, it's anticipation of a real game changer. And with that, I want to hear from you. Are you planning to grab the Mini 5 Pro when it launches? Or are you sticking with your current setup? Drop your thoughts in the comments below because I love hearing what fellow drone fans are thinking. If you enjoyed this breakdown, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe for more in-depth tech coverage, stick around to watch my video on the evolution of DJI's Mini lineup. It'll give you a perfect side-by-side look at how far we've come. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.